Hello, everyone. So, most of you, the people who just passed out or after finishing their UG or PG, and even the people nowadays, like after working for a BPO or other clerical and maybe non-IT people, are looking for most of the people are looking for a software course to learn. So, before you start learning the software course, you should know few things that will help you. So the first thing, what are the best courses available? Obviously, everyone do. What are the best courses available after graduation, right? So this is what most of you think. But before you start learning any software course, you should invest your time before you step into the any course. Start learning. Invest your time. So see why I'm saying invest your time. It's really important because once you join to any course, there is no option like you can like you already paid the money and you will be spending some people used to spend a 1 year of time. After that they will again look back what mistake they did. Instead you can follow this few things which will help you. First, decide what is the right software course or subject suits to you, and what are your strengths. Like you should know do's and don'ts. Like some people are capable of doing a coding, and some people are don't want to go ahead with a technical and they want to go ahead with some functional. Then you can have software courses like SAP or other like PeopleSoft, like other courses we have. You can go for it, right? And the another thing you should do a thorough research with available sources. So what is mean by research? See, it's simple thing. You can just Google it or go to the YouTube, right? Available sources. First, search it. What are the courses available? Suppose if you decided what is the right software course, the first step, then the second, the third step, you should search about it, whether the course how what is all about in and about. Because before you join to the institute or select the trainer and institute, you should first go through it, come to know what is all about that course, whether it's a Java or DevOps or SAP. So that and the next step, you can go for what is the current market for that so and so software course you selected or you would like to go for. Just go through the LinkedIn, Naukri, search with that software course jobs, and what is the current market, what are the topics they are asking. Why I'm telling these things, it should help you. Like when you go to the trainer or institute, you can find out whether the so and so trainer or institute is providing the updated course content, or what employer is looking current market according to current market. Because once you learn, you should be get employed. You should be, you know when you apply for a job, your skills should match, right? Next thing, improve the communication. See, this is like a communication in the sense, it's not like a learning a language. See, language like English or German, anything, it's a medium to communicate, but you should know how to talk. Any language, like if you take German or English, there will be, when you start working with the clients, there will be from the different countries, there will be users will be there, their business people will be there will be technical persons will be there. How to talk to the each person, sometimes you have to come down to the level of user and talk to the business users. And one more thing, learning a course in regional languages is really advisable. See, I'm not saying it's not advisable, but if you keep learning and in regional language and if you adapt to it, what will happen? You tend to have some problems like attending interviews or talking to the client, because most of the IT companies are deal with, the clients, everybody deal with in English, and obviously you need to have a common language in English, and so that will help you to communicate in English and answer the interviews. And next thing, most of the people, the common mistake people will do, finding a shortcuts like a learning a software course within a month or 1 month, 15 days or 3 months, or people will be looking for a backdoor option instead of learning. See, this is all really not going to help you. I'm telling you, let us take about backdoor. There is a person like, there are many examples. Out of 10, two people, one or two only going to get survive. So before, without learning a software course, what happened? Even if you're dependent on the person who's going to provide proxy, and one fine day, office they will call you nowadays. Almost all companies are calling to office, and you will be in a trouble. You don't even know the what is basics because you did not learn the course. Then obviously you will get caught and they will fire you. right? So do not find the shortcuts, learn the codes. Then lastly, like if at all, if you want it, if you're learn the course but you're not confident enough, or you having some kind of a in like inferiority complex, or like you're getting a scared to attend interview, take help of the trainer, or how to get ready for the interview, right? So that gradually if you start attending and taking help, after a few days or after few interviews, you can do on yourself. And after getting a job, obviously if you spent 1 year, then definitely in from next interview onwards, you're going to attend your interview on your own. And the last thing you should know, like when you start learning a software course, you should know like it's all about how you plan your day to day, your every day you're going to plan. See, most of the people just join to the course and they will not, they attend the session and come to the homework room. They will just, again leave it the topics, and they will come again next day. They will start attending. And I used to see most of the people like they'll start attending, start attending classes. Then it will be done for 10 days. They will be very much interest. After that, they will stop it. See, you should plan your day like it's for mostly for students and anybody who want to shift to a career to IT. You should follow 24/7, 24 hours frame. You should, obviously a person need 8 hours to sleep, and remaining hours, think plan effectively. 8 16 hours you have, can't you spend at least 8 hours or 4 hours? Just let's take about the people who are preparing for the groups, or maybe if you used to see any people around the like a universities or library, they used to spend a lot of 18 hours or 16 hours to spend to get a job, right? So but that is also once in a 5 years. But why can't you, when you start learning a software course, why can't you spend few hours? Like I'm not telling you to spend entire 16 hours or 10 hours. At least try to spend 4 to 8 hours to practice every day what are the course happened, so that you can raise your questions with your trainer the next day, and try to cover with a scenario basis. See, any software course, if you want to learn, practice is must. Without practice you cannot learn the course. I mean, you can learn, but it's only the content that is he trained you can remember, but that is not going to help you. You need to practice it, because when you start working on the small things also, you may not be able to click on here and there. Okay, so I hope this will help you. And last thing, when you start learning any course, every day before you go to bed, just think about the day, what and all you did, any 1 hour or any few minutes you spent for your career, a few hours, so that if you recall your sleep memory, I mean what you did for the day for your career, that will be, remember for you for some time, for a hour. Okay, I hope this will help you to get ready or to start learning any course. And thank you.